in it, people want to make a cooperation to build their business.
By online or physically?
In everything, online can be or offline can be.
Could you specifically ask the question? Like, what do you want to know, please?
I want to know that why they give such thing to other people to make a cooperation with them. Like you mentioned, they give iPhone and blah blah. So why they give it? Is to impress them or what?
Oh, it's not like for impressing. You see, in on some people are saying, some people are thinking that online has actual information. It's not like that. You know, we also get some like fraud news in the Facebook and also Google and so many others online platform. So it is happen. Like like see, I'm suppose I'm working in the IT, so I have vast knowledge about IT, Facebook, Google or something. I can I can make website, I can make a Facebook page, I can make lot of things. So what the happen there? I just make a page, but it's fraud. There is no mention my name, there is no mention any location, just a page, and I just showing some mobile picture or any other product picture, and I just trying to advertise. But if you go there, there is no my actual details, there is no my picture or something. So what I am doing, I am doing just a business advertising. I will i will give iPhone 60 mobile by 50,000. Like in our countries, suppose I am giving this advertise in my page. We are offered iPhone 16 Pro only 50,000, so you can buy. So our country's people who don't know about online sectors, if like so less knowledge about their brain, so they are thinking, oh, in online in online 50,000, so maybe it's trustable, I can buy it. So they are trying to knocking with them, and what the happen, they are already paid their all money, and after that what the rest of the things is, they will just get the mobile or some product, when there is no any responsibility like with company, just company delivery like that. Even empty box they will give you, because they are doing fraud business. This is fake. So it's not like that. If you are go to if you go to buy iPhone original website, which is genuine website, genuine company, if you're trying to book and if you're trying to buy something by online, by iPhone original sectors, they will never give you fraud any mobile or any product. So that is the happen in the online side. So people not so many time, not they are not able to judge the what's the happen in the online. So that time people are really, after that they feel, they are regret about that. What am I doing? I lost my money. This is huge amount of money, I lost everything. I just bought these things. So specifically, uh, sometimes government also cannot finding them, because they are specialist in the online sector. So that's the happen. So it's also disadvantages of online shopping.
I see. That's I think same here. People think that oh if we will buy something from the online, so it's look like cheap, but in fact they didn't get anything like the services and how they can manage the probably like an iPhone or they buy something like electronical. They don't know how to make it right, how make it how work on it. Just they look the price and the price it seems quite cheap, so they are feel like want to buy more. So they feel, oh, I'm lucky I can buy in a cheap price. But They don't know how to use it and they don't know how to make it work. That is common happen here. Thank you.
Yeah, exactly. You are right. So, and I want to add something here as well. Like, mm, one thing is fraud company, they are doing business by online, and also like we have to judge the genuine website. Like, is this genuine company or not? That is the matter. And if you are going to find out the advantages, you can also business on the online. You have to like if yeah, you have to find out some way how to build up the business or something. And yeah, I think online business is very important nowadays, because most of the people are joking on the online sector for doing something, selling, buying, or doing something. So that's the advantages. And people are dependent, so many company and so many things, they are dependent on the online, not like physically. So suppose if you are go to Amazon company, Alibaba.com company, like huge burst of uh, verified company, who are verified company, they will never give you like fake any product or wrong any product, because they have reputation worldwidely. But if you are just thinking, oh, I see in the Facebook one advertise, so it is very cheap, so I should buy. So you have to regret after that. So that's the happen. So we have Mr. Ridoy. Are you feel comfortable now about digital online marketing? What is the advantages and disadvantages? Whatever, if you have information and you want to add something new, we will we feel comfortable for listening to you. Mr. Ridoy,
Hey, hello.
go ahead please.
I want to say that I am you for London. You are speaking about the online business, digital online business. Actually, you told me that you are not in Bangladesh, but you are in foreign country.
Yeah. Are you busy?
Hello.
Yeah. Are you busy? Oh, I was muted, but I am asking to him.
Yeah, you were muted and you speak. That's why
Yeah,
like he didn't
I
get anything from you.
I didn't follow. I just questioning to him what he said,
Mm-hmm.
but I was muted. Sorry for it was my bad. So maybe
Yeah, actually,
next
I
session.
also didn't get anything from his side. I like his voice like was breaking.
He was in the middle of markets right now, maybe. So that's why from his background also coming so many noise. So that's the happen. So do you want to add something, Eka, here?
No, I think. What about others?
Yeah. And Adil has also network issue. I couldn't like understand every sentence. Like he cannot finish the sentence because of his network issue. So Adil, are you able to speak now?
Yeah, I not have a good information about this issue.
Mm-hmm.
I think I request for you choose a issue about the discuss. I get information. I search information about this issue in preparation for this issue and share information this group and this discuss. This is my request for you because I not have a good information about this issue. I not can to get and share information about this issue. Okay.